many times in this age, because we have all passed through this age, we have a lot of distractions. Those distractions can be in the form of technology, telephones, mobiles, internet. Don't get distracted. Use technology only to the extent that it is required for your studies. Other than that, it should not become an addiction. This is very important. I'm saying it with experience. Many times, children in this age, they feel that this is the time to enjoy. This is the time to have recreational activities. But you take it from me. This is the time for your studies. If you devote from now onwards, next 4 to 5 years, till you enter into any professional courses, you will go into 12th, then you will go into any of your professional higher studies, whether it is engineering or medicine or law or whatever field you choose. You can choose any field which suits your aptitude. But base is this. So do not deviate from studies. This is my elderly advice to all of you. You will remember this advice many years later. Heat. Heat means perspiration. You are studying so hard, you are not seeing weather, you are devoted to your studies, you are perspiring, but you are committed to your studies. And pressure, you have so much on your mind, different subjects, but you are saying, no, I will undergo this pressure. So once we go through heat and pressure, what does carbon become? That is what we have. So my best wishes to all of you.
As going so Delhi's chief secretary, Vijay जो आसा, आज याने आमचे स्कूलान एक courtesy visit दवरल्या. He wanted to interact with the students, टिचरां कडेन interaction करूं सोदता. कशे तरेन जे आमचे institutions जी आसा गोंयान कशे तरेन मुखार सरता, तांकां कितें facilities कशी provide जाता. दिल्लीचे कशे तेंची facilities आसा स्टुडंट्सांक. आनी हे नंतर जे आसा तो वचोन जे आसा आमचे गोंयचे जो मुख्यमंत्री आसा तेजी जो भेट घेतलो. सो आमी तेका जस्ट जो येतलो म्हणून तेका वेलकम करता. सो आनी म्हाका दिसता की एक बरें पावल जो दिल्लीचो चीफ सेक्रेटरी येवन भुरग्यांचे वांगडा इंटरेक्शन करप, तांकां हें करप, बाबा तांकां कितें डिफिकल्टी आहा तें विचारप. म्हाका ते अशें करून समज ऑफिसर जे आसा IAS ऑफिसर जे आसा स्टुडंटा वांगडा इंटरेक्शन करपाक लागत. म्हाका दिसता जायतीं प्रॉब्लमां जे आहा जे भुरगे फेस करता, जे भुरगे डिप्रेशनान वयता, तेंचे कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा तें जाणून घेवपाचें काम म्हाका दिसता दिल्लीचो चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो आसा वो विजय देव जो आसा वो करपाक आयज येयला. आनी म्हाका दिसता तेका लागून आमी आमचो जो एम जी आखी मॅनेजमेंट आहा, आमचे टिचर आहा, स्टाफ आहा, हेचे तर्फेन भुरग्यांचे